Hi guys, welcome to fourth section, Security and Identity. In this section, we will start with creating SSL certificates. Then we will see Active Directory as a service. After that, we will create users and instance roles. Now we move on to the first video of this section that deals with creating SSL certificates. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to federate identities from your Active Directory and use AD groups and IAM roles to provide different levels of access to multiple AWS accounts. SSL-based communications are now becoming the de facto standard that is insecure methods are no longer good enough. AWS provides the AWS Certificate Manager service to provision AWS-backed SSL certificates that you can use with your AWS resources such as Elastic Load Balancers and CloudFront. ACM is free to use. There's nothing to pay for the certificates themselves. You pay for the underlying resources you use with them as normal. Create the certificate in the region you plan to use it in. That is where your ELBs are located. If you plan to use your certificate with CloudFront, you must create it in the US East 1 region. Run the CLI command, including the domain name you want the certificate for. Put your domain name here. You can now see the request in the ACM console, but note the request is still pending. After the request has been created, AWS will confirm the request is valid by sending approval emails to various standard email addresses based on conventions and the whois information for your domain. Approval emails will be sent: the domain registrant, the technical contact, the administrative contact. You must accept at least one of the approvals before you can use your certificate. Then the certificate is ready to use in the AWS ACM console. After that use, the identifier value to apply the certificate to your resources, such as EC2, ELBs, and CloudFront distributions.